Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how to change the shipping address on Amazon after purchase. Stick around till the end, it's super easy. Launch the Amazon Shopping app or website. Let's say you've ordered something but entered the wrong delivery address. No worries, here's what to do. Go to your account by tapping the account icon or the three-line menu. Click Your Orders and find the order you need to fix. If it hasn't shipped yet, you can cancel it. Select the order, hit Cancel Order, and confirm. Then, reorder with the correct shipping address. If cancellation isn't available, contact Amazon's customer support. Tap the three-line menu, go to Customer Service, and pick your issue. Use live chat or call. Explain you need to update the delivery address and give them the new details. They'll help based on the order status. Unique tip: check your order status in Your Orders first. If it's still processing, canceling and reordering is often faster than waiting for support. If you run into issues, try these. Make sure you're in the correct Amazon account. Confirm the order number when contacting support to avoid mix-ups. If the app's chat isn't working, switch to the Amazon website. Hope this helps, guys.